Hi ma'am, I am Marijin Momo, 38 years of age, a college graduate. I am married and have three daughters, ages 17, 15, and 4 years old. I am the only one who took care of them since they were newborn. I don't have overseas experience, but here in Philippines, I've been a housemaid for 4 years with employer, mother, and her daughter, age 7 years old. I do household chores like cooking, laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, and tutoring her daughter when she has assignment, and also feeding the two cats. I have also experienced take care of elderly 73 years old for 3 years. I help her take her medicine and vitamins. I also do household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and laundry. To my future employer, I promise I will finish my contract and I will do my job well. Thank you.